Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn with Mahadev. In today's tutorial, we are diving deep into the world of React Native. Especially, we shall explore React navigation, understanding props and component. Whether you are a beginner or looking to brush up your skill, this video has something for everyone. So let's jump right into it. First things first, let's talk about React navigation. React Navigation is a powerful library that allows us to handle navigation in our React Native application with ease. Whether it's creating stack, tabs, or drawer, React Navigation has got us covered. Here I am installing the required packages in our project for React Navigation. You can follow same steps. Here I am setting up a stack navigator using React Navigation. We define our screens and their respective components, and React Navigation handles the navigation flow for us. It's incredibly intuitive and saves us a lot of time. After installing all React Navigation packages, just rerun the application. Start importing all React Navigation packages in our app.js and remove unwanted codes. We will now create one src folder, and in that we'll create one file called homescreen.js. Here, as we have not installed navigate hyphen stack, so we got this error. So to fix this error, we have to go ahead and install React Navigation Stack hyphen React Navigation slash navigate hyphen stack. In homescreen.js, we missed adding text component. Like we need to import that. Yeah, now it looks good. And we'll add one more stack screen, which will be second screen. Now we'll create component which is button. So for that we'll create button.js. This will be common component throughout our application. So we are creating this as component. In this component we'll be passing two props. One will be title and another will be on press. So that depending our action we can change it and reuse component. So parameter which we are passing to button is also called as props. We have passed title inside text component and we use touchable opacity for on press event. So whenever we call this, whenever we press this button component, so on press will be called. Here we are passing title and on press in button. So in on press we will be passing navigate to. First we'll test on navigate to is working fine, so we'll print will alert this actually, and we'll see if alert is displayed on mobile app. React Navigation by default has two parameters, which is navigation and route. So whenever we want to navigate from one screen to another, we use navigation, and another parameter which is route, so we'll be using next after this. So it will be like a receiving parameter from previous component which we pass. So here navigate has two parameters basically. One is navigating screen name, and another is prop which we will be passing. So we'll see in further video. So here again we have created second screen, and we have used that same component, but we have changed name, and on press section is same, but here we'll be doing pop operation to jump to previous screen. Okay, it gave error because button is not imported. Okay, now it should work. Yeah, now navigation is not imported. So default parameter when we use React Navigation, we should always pass prop navigation. So from home screen we have to pass one parameter. So I am passing name colon Mahadev. So here second parameter is route. So we are passing route dot params, which we pass value from home screen. So this we are destructuring and we are passing that name to text, which will be like welcome comma name. Best part about common component is you can create one style as a common, and component wherever it is used, it will be reflected there. So for example, now we are creating container for touchable opacity. So in that we will be passing padding, then margin. Here we have put padding as 10. You can give according to your style. I will give margin. Then we'll give border for our button, which is border width, border color, and border radius. and also we'll be giving background color as gray, and then we'll style text component. As we have used same button component on screen 1 and screen 2, so when we gave styling to one button, it reflected on both screen. This is the magic of common component. We have covered React Navigation, props and components in React Native. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in your journey of mastering React Native development. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Learn with Mahadev. Thank you for watching and happy coding.